Hola, welcome to this Spanish lesson. In this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself in Spanish. Introducing yourself is one of the first things you will need to do when meeting new people. So let's get started. First, let's look at some key phrases that you will need to know. For hello, you say Hola. For my name is, you say me llamo. For I am, you say soy. For nice to meet you, you say mucho gusto. Also, another way for saying nice to meet you is encantado. For masculine, encantada. For feminine. So, to introduce yourself in Spanish, you can say Hola, me llamo Eduardo. Mucho gusto. Let's see this in action with a few examples. Hola, me llamo Juan. Mucho gusto. Hola, me llamo María. Encantada. Hola, soy Ana. ¿Y tú? Notice that when asking someone else's name, you can use the phrase ¿y tú? And you, or ¿cómo te llamas? What's your name? Great. Now let's practice saying these phrases together. Hola, me llamo Juan. Mucho gusto. Hola, soy Ana. Encantada. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Eduardo. ¿Y tú? Yo me llamo Susana. Encantada. Remember to pronounce the words carefully and try to imitate the accent as closely as possible. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to practice introducing yourself in Spanish with your friends and family. And visit www.talkinginspanish.com. Hasta luego.